here behind me. See the gooch over there. Gonna be pulling some parts off of him tonight. A buddy of mine wrecked his car, I believe it was last weekend, down in Bradenton. Pulled chutes on it around 150 mile an hour. Put him into the wall a little bit, so he needs a fender and a front bumper, headlight. So we're gonna get him hooked up and pull some parts off of these two. As you can see, I already got her ready to go. And we'll pull the front end off of this one. And I'll give him these two fenders. And I'll put that fender and the other fender from that car on mine. And I'll give him the front bumper off of that car, along with the headlights from it. So let's get started. Okay, so the fender's off. Got a bunch of dirt in there. A little bit of surface rust. And a little bit of rust on her. Not too bad, considering how old she is. And then you got these two screws right here. These things never come out. I don't care how many of these cars I've done now, which is a bunch, they never come out. Alright, so the fender's off, cleaned it up, got her all sprayed black. She looks pretty good now. Like I said, I gotta get the rest of it apart, so that'll be tomorrow. I'm done for today. Okay, got the driver's side fender off. Side looks pretty good. Already got her painted up, and actually these two bolts came out pretty easy this time. I'm amazed. All I gotta do now is take the front clip off. As you can see, she's sitting pretty good. It looks good on this side. Suspension's all in there. Gotta do some work on this yet. She's getting there though.
Chubby boy.